In order to copy a vocabulary, we simply tap the selected vocabulary. For this example, we're going to go to a Word Power 42 Basic, SS for Symbol Sticks. We tap on it, and we have two choices. We can open it or duplicate it. Let's go ahead and duplicate it. You'll notice it puts the root name of the file at the beginning here. We're going to leave that there and then just customize the end of it. The reason that you don't want to just call this Jesse's copy is because if you ever call into support and they ask you what file you're working on, if you just said I'm working on Jesse's copy, they have no idea what that was based off of. But if you said I'm working on a Word Power 42 Basic Jesse's copy, then they know what file you're working off of. So I'm just going to backspace over the word copy and type Jesse in here and save it. That's then going to put our copied file back into our list with no lock next to it this time. So this time we're going to tap on that file, that Jesse file, and we're going to open it so that we can go ahead and do some editing.